In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make outro end screen video in Canva. First, open Canva and use the search bar to look for YouTube outro or ending card YouTube. That ensures you're working with the correct end screen dimension so everything lines up perfectly later in YouTube Studio. From here, choose a template that fits your channel's vibe, or start with a blank design if you want total control. Templates are a great shortcut because the spacing and layout are already dialed in, but you can customize every part either way. Let's personalize it. Begin with the background. Pick a solid color, a soft gradient, or an on-brand image. Aim for strong contrast so your text and icons are easy to read, and keep the area where the end screen elements go clean and uncluttered. If you use a photo, consider lowering its transparency or adding a subtle overlay to prevent visual noise. Add your text next. Short, friendly calls to action work best, like "Thanks for watching, subscribe," or "Watch more." Keep the message concise, use large, legible fonts, and create a clear hierarchy so the viewer's eye knows where to go. Make sure the text color contrasts with the background, and, if needed, add a light shadow or outline for readability. Bring in graphics to reinforce the message. Simple arrows can point toward the spots where your video thumbnails will appear, and adding your logo helps with branding. Stick to your brand colors and limit the number of styles so everything feels cohesive and professional. Now, leave obvious empty spaces for YouTube's end screen elements. Reserve room for your channel icon and video thumbnails, because those are placed later inside YouTube Studio. Avoid putting text or important visuals in those zones, and keep a comfortable margin so nothing looks cramped. Add motion with Canva's animation tools. Subtle fades, slides, or pops can make the outro feel dynamic. Keep animations consistent and time them so nothing covers the reserved spaces. A touch of motion goes a long way, so aim for smooth, not distracting. Set the page duration between 10 and 20 seconds, which is the sweet spot for YouTube end screens. This gives viewers enough time to decide what to click without dragging on. Preview the entire design from start to finish. Check alignment, pacing, and readability, and make quick tweaks if something feels too busy or too slow. If possible, imagine how it will appear on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy, click Share, choose Download, and select MP4 video as the file type. Canva will export a ready-to-upload video that you can pair with your end screen elements on YouTube. That's it. Thanks for watching.